my channel. I'm going to see a friend. It's her birthday today, and also I want to share you guys that we're going to unbox a little bit box of Chanel makeup. And also we're gonna go try this one too. So I wanted to create something for like a birthday makeup look or something, just very simple, because I'm going to a friend's house. It's her birthday, so I don't want to be look like a clown. But I'm just really excited to show this one for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Never used this Chanel makeup, so this is gonna be my first time using this. So with you guys, so here you go. And there it is. It's still sealed, so you guys know that I haven't opened that. Wait. There you go, guys. It's the little palette. Oh, it has the mascara. I forgot about it. Has the mascara in there. So let's put that on the side, and let's open this. This is a little bag, and this is the little pouch. And ta-da! There. And this is the makeup. Oops, sorry. This is the makeup, guys. This is actually to-go makeup. So you have the blush, you have the powder foundation, and you have the neutral color on the side, and this is your lipstick. You can choose in there, and they have that little, you know, makeup applicator over here. So it's so cute. I just never use them. I never play with it. And there's a little mascara in that. So we're gonna put this on the side, and we're gonna go play with this. Oops. This is some of my collection. So I'm gonna start using some of my collection so you guys can see it. So let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna be using this area right here. This is gonna be the neutral color for this palette, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the little pink right here. Doesn't have the name, but that's gonna be our first color. You guys can see. Hold on. Ooh, it's my first time using this. Oh, that's really pretty color. And then I'm gonna put a little bit brown to my crease. I just use the same brush because I'm using in the other side anyway. I'm adding color here. And I'm just gonna pat it a little bit because so that the color stay. And I will blend that in a little bit. And now I'm going to blend this. Blending. And then I'm gonna go back and use the little pink back and just put a little bit more on the top area. So I'm just putting this dark brown underneath. Yeah, I'm using a Kat Von D for my liquid eyeliner. I have a hard time doing my eye wink all the time, guys, so it takes me a long time, but yep. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit on the side because I make mess when I do eye wing. It's like eyebrows. I always get some problem. Okay, we're gonna put this lashes. Put some mascara underneath. Go ahead and put some concealer. So I like to put my concealer in a almost finish. Is because it really clean up your makeup or your eyeshadow that's falling when you are doing your eyeshadow. So it really clean up that, and it's easy for me to finishing my look when it's all nice and clean. So now it's nice and clean, and you see how it brights out my face when I do my concealer after my eyeshadow. Clean up a little bit on the top of this because I kind of forgot to do it earlier. We're not perfect, so we forgot things, especially me. I always forget something. So there's a white right here. I'm gonna use that for my inner corner of my eyes to bright. So right here, brights out. This palette is actually really nice, and then I need to use something small. I think this is small. Oops. I'm gonna use this pink. It is for my blush. Oh, look at that, guys. It looks so nice. The pink color is actually really pretty. And you only need a little bit, and it's like there's a lot. It looks like there's a lot. And then the white, oh, I think I can use a small one. So this white eyeshadow or highlight, I'm just gonna use it for my highlight. And then a little bit right here. Look at that. Little bit. It has that little bit like a glitter onto it. It's really, really pretty. We'll put more. It's because I'm addicted to highlight. And here more. Maybe here. No. Guys, don't judge me with the highlight. It's like, for me, it's like the highlight is like I have to have. So, oh, let's put, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown. I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown as my bronzer. This is actually, I don't know if I tell you guys, this is actually my powder foundation. Oh my god, I almost forgot. Oh man, this blush and highlight, it's so pretty. It really, really pretty, guys. So now it's the lipstick. So it's right here, lipstick. I think I'm gonna use this color right. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this color. See, right on the top, because it's very simple. A lot of layer, guys. A lot of layer. Okay, I put a lot of layer in this. I'm gonna put my earring. So this is the look, the Chanel palette look that we put together, except the mascara. I forgot to use the Chanel mascara, but the rest of the eyeshadow, the lipsticks, the highlight, the blush, it all came from the palette right here. And I hope you guys like it, and I'm ready to go to my friend's birthday party. So thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys again later. And thank you for all the support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you can see all my videos upcoming. And don't forget to hit that ring button for notification. Bye.